Hi, in this tutorial we're going to be doing a case statement. The case statement is very similar to the Java one, but it's more simple again. It doesn't have a default. It does have a default, but it's named different. It's named else. And the case statement in Java and C++ and C is you have different cases to match, and if it doesn't, these matches are not met at the end, you can have a default, and that's the one it'll use if it hasn't made a match for the case. And with Ruby, you put certain conditions to test for, and if it reaches one of these conditions, then it'll execute that code. If it doesn't reach these conditions, you can add an else statement, and it will execute the code in the else statement. So it's the same as the default in Java. So I'm going to show you how simple that a case statement is. All you need to do is case. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a variable called x. I'm going to say it equals 4. Okay. Now I'm going to do the case statement. And the case, it starts off with case, and then you use the keyword when, and after when it's a condition that you want to match. So if I type in a condition here and it's true, then the code will be executed for this match, and Ruby will exit the case statement. Once it finds a match, it doesn't continue, it just goes to the first match. And so the first condition I'm going to do is x equals 1. Right? I can do then and do it all in the same line. Then put is +1 and hit enter. And then I do my next when statement, x equal to 2, and I can type then and the command to be executed, or like the if statement, I don't have to use the then, I can hit enter and then put the command. Then it's another when statement, and a condition equals 3. Oops. And when x is equal to 4 would be the code would be executed because x is equal to 4, but I'm not going to put it in, I'm going to put an else statement in. And so because it's not going to find the match, because we've not tested for 4, it's going to execute the else statement. And end to finish it off, and you can see that it executed the code in the else statement. So if x was equal to 1, then the statement first one would be printed. If it was equal to 2, second one would be printed, and if it was equal to 4, 3, not this one either, would be printed. But because it was equal to 4 and we didn't test for that condition, the else was executed, which would be the default keyword in Java and C programming. And so we got we got there anyway. So that's case statements. And again, thank you for listening. I don't think we've done until. We've done well, but we've not done until, so that will probably be the next one. Again, thank you.